Hi, good day. I'm Sailja. I'm from Exen Crew team. We created an agent named as Employee Productivity Orchestrator. Usually, what happens when an employee logged in is he will check for the service notificates, Jira cards, what are all the mails that he received, what are all the meetings that are scheduled, what are all the trackers if there are any. By checking all these things, our morning is gone. Even though we'll miss lot of things and we're not sure what all the priority things are. There comes the idea of creating this agent employee productivity. What actually our agent does is, by the time when I logged in, it will analyze what are all the priority tasks that need my attention. It will showcase the list, what are all the things that I have to do according to the priority. It will work entire the day. If I'm in the between a meeting, I'll got a private incident which I missed to check, then it will notify me that I got a prevent incident and I need to take an action accordingly. I got an email which need my immediate attention, but I missed it. So it will notify me that I got an email to it will notify me that I got an email which I missed to attend. So this is how the employee productivity orchestrate agent. We created this by using this IBM Watson X. We created workflows. These are the open APIs. This is how the flow looks. When I logged in, the user grew a prompt by just a greeting, just a hi or hello, everything. It will showcase my task accordingly. I just give it a prompt as hi. Then it is analyzing what are all the tasks assigned to me and it will assign a priority to them. It generated a task from the Jira and it is notifying us like these are all the open tasks that are assigned to me. It is listing out the incident from the service now. These are all the incidents that are in the service now. Now, when I want for the priority incident to be listed, it will help me accordingly. We can even modify this. This is in the beginning stage. We can even modify. We can even train this to list out as according to the priority. It will help us in many other ways. There are lots of cases where we miss the deadlines, where we miss the SLAs, where we miss the meetings that are scheduled. We may have the stakeholders meetings, but we are working on some other task. We may miss those things, right? This is how the things actually work. This agent will help and it will mostly reduce the such cases. Thanks for your time.